how to book multi-city flights with Kiwi.com. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to book multi-city flights using Kiwi.com. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to use the services right here from Kiwi.com. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So first just simply head over to the Kiwi.com website, which is just Kiwi.com, and then you'll be redirected here. So in here, just simply put in the location where you're coming from and then to the city where you're going to. So let's say I'll just select the city right there, and then there you go. Then you can also add additional cities if you want to. Then the top right, you can also choose what kind of ticket you want, like a return, one-way ticket, a multi-city, or a nomad. So if you want to choose multi-city, just click on it. And then there you go. So as you can see, you'll now have more locations right here where you want to go to. So let's say I'll just change some of the details over here, like I'll choose this city right here to go to, and then there you go. Next, you can choose which kind of ticket you want, if it's economy, premium economy, business, or first class. So let's say I'll just choose business, and then there you go. And the next, just input how many passengers will be going with you. I'll just set -1, and then you can also set how many baggages you will bring. So you can put the cabin baggage and the checked baggage. So let's say I'll just have one of each. And there you go. Next, you can also set departure dates right here. So yep, I'll just leave it as it is. And then I'll just simply click on search. And then there you go. We have flights over here that we can choose from. And then here you can filter out what kind of flight you want. So they have the best flights, the cheapest flights, and the fastest flights. So yeah, feel free to choose which one is the best one for you. So yeah, so for example, just choose this one over here. And then there you go. So you can choose either of these booking options right here. You can go with the Kiwi.com guarantee or the Kiwi.com basic. The Kiwi.com is basic but has less features, but the Kiwi.com guarantee has more features like instant Kiwi.com credit if airline cancels, an automatic check-in, a live boarding pass, and savings on baggage and seating. So yeah, so once you're done choosing which kind of booking option you want, just simply click on continue. And there you go, you'll be redirected here in a checkout page. So just simply fill in your details right here, like the given name. You can also add travel insurance if you want to. And then once you click on continue, you'll be proceeded to the payment options. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you get special discounts or special promos if you're going to use the services right here from Kiwi.com. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to book multi-city flights with Kiwi.com. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.